Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to change Gmail username in Android mobile phone. So it is very easy to change Gmail username. So for that, if your Gmail account is connected to your device, just click on settings. Now just scroll here and click on Google. Click on manage your Google account. Now after clicking it, click on personal info here. Now just click on name. Now after clicking here beside your name, here you can see there is a pencil icon, click on it. After clicking it, you can just change the name from here. And after changing the name, just click on save. So guys, that's how you can change Gmail username. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.